Okay, so I'm wondering... Okay, so I'm wondering if anyone knows, let me see, what this is. You're like, a bowl of candy. But no, it is actually peach resin. So it is resin from a peach tree. So what is resin, you ask? A sticky, flammable, organic substance insoluble in water, exuded by some trees and other plants, notably fir and pine. So are you supposed to eat resin? I have no idea. In Chinese cooking anyways, the peach resin, it's used a lot in like nourishing soups or like desserts. Usually you'll put like different seeds or like jujubes and dates. I've seen as a dessert, you finish it off with some coconut milk, and it is, once this puffs up, it becomes like a gelatinous jelly fat substance. I don't know if it's everyone's cup of tea. It definitely is mine. I'm going to liken it to like jelly, like a cross between jelly and fat. And I think it's really good because there is some nice texture to it, and how it applies culinarily for you all, yet to be seen. But I think that you can use it a lot, like you'd use agar in dessert when you want like little, you know, cubes or blobs of jelly. How much resin should you be eating? I don't know. So something to look up for that. But usually in like Chinese traditional medicine, again, this is quite good for skin. I've heard a lot about. It's like poor man's bird's nest, which a whole other thing that you can look up as well. And you know, blood flow, I've seen it for circulation, I've seen it for digestion, I've seen it for lowering blood sugar. So I mean, there's a ton of things. So today I'm gonna just show you quickly and easily how I make this into kind of like a semi-herbal dessert, which is kind of, it is the stuff that I like. So we soak this first. Just kind of a disclaimer is, you see this, there is not much here. I would say maybe a half cup's worth. That is way too much. Like, this probably balloons, I want to say like 4 times its size easily. So you have to leave it overnight because you can't rush this one. Like, you leave it overnight and it just whoosh, needs a lot of water. So soak it in a lot of water. Okay, so I don't know if you remember how little of this we put in yesterday, but overnight it ballooned to like this gigantic amount. Like, we only had 20 pieces in here. So now what we have to do is, if you can see, there's little bits of impurities in here. So I guess we just have to manually like pick those out, which may be a bit difficult. After you've been cleaning this for a while, I think you get to the point where, well, I get to the point where I feel like if it's not a bug and it's just like a leaf or a twig, I don't mind.
I wake up, I don't wanna make my bed. I'll save up all my energy. Instead you take up all the energy I have inside. And I can't find a way to just ignore it. And I can't really take it anymore, 'cause I can't stop you from running around through my mind. Won't stop running, never will. I'll take some melatonin pills this time, 'cause I just wanna sleep tonight. Yeah, I just wanna sleep. But lately I've been sleeping way too much, 'cause baby, I've been dreaming about us. And I can't help but wish that all my dreams came true. But I'm not ever wishing on a star. The galaxies won't make you change your heart, won't make it any easier for me to stop dreaming about